With the fascia and barge kits, you only need to draw out the linear footage of your fascia, and you'll get your trims, soffit framing, outlookers, and freeze board with no additional drawing or calculations. There are 4 of these kits in total, providing both open and closed soffit options for both fascia and barge materials. To start using the kit, just assign your takeoff item to one of these 4 kits in the applications list. As you can see here, you can choose either open or closed soffit barge, or open and closed soffit fascia. Then choose the product for the actual barge or fascia board, and then assign your material to a pack in your list. This fascia is now in my exterior trim pack, and now you'll see that the application name has turned bold. If I hover my mouse over the application, you'll see the tooltip that shows the corresponding kit has been called out. To complete the material for this kit, we'll head to the Lists tab and open the exterior trim pack. There's a lot of moving pieces in this kit, so it can look confusing at first. Each of the indented applications under the kit are the components that we just need to choose products for. Starting with the trim, click in the product box and select a product. Then press Tab to lock in your selection. As soon as we do, the kit automatically pulls in the same linear footage from the fascia, so the trim is now complete. The next is the soffit framing, which is already done. We're getting 2x4 framing for the soffit, so we can move on to the next item. And next we have to make a choice. We need to choose one of the following sizes of soffit based on the plans. In this case, I want 16-inch soffit, so I'll click in the 16-inch soffit product, search for Hardy, and choose the 16-inch Hardy soffit. Now you can just ignore the other size options. Since they don't have a product, they won't have any output in your list. The primary components of this kit are done. We have an output for our fascia, soffit, and associated framing and trim materials. You can follow the same process as before of selecting a product for your straps and ties and freeze board and gable nailer. This was just a quick guide on using the fascia kits, but we also have a series of videos that go into much more detail on kits in general. These cover how you can customize kits, create your own kits, and even automate the product selections for your kits. So if you haven't already seen them or need a refresher on how they work, you'll find links to those below the video.